I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're going to talk about this Zebronics Bluetooth speaker, that how we can connect it with your mobile phone. Yes, you are listening right. Today we're going to talk about that how to connect Zebronics Bluetooth speaker to mobile phone using Bluetooth, via Bluetooth. So let's learn how to connect Zebronics Bluetooth speaker to your mobile phone. Let's start. First of all, as you can see, it has many features, many options over here that are shown over here. You can check it out, this one. And what we have to do now, we have to run 1 second. Okay, we have to switch it on. That is button, this one is on and off. Anywhere you will find these type of buttons, but maybe little bit of like these. We are switching it on, it's switching on, and it's automatically get into the Bluetooth mode. Its BT is blinking over there. You can check out, this is BT. So what we can do, if it's not Bluetooth in Bluetooth mode, we have to change mode from over here. Click on that, FM mode, click again line mode, click again Bluetooth mode, BT mode. Now what we have to do, we have to go to our mobile phone. 1 second, this one is our mobile phone, and we have to go to the Bluetooth section. Click over there and long press. When we switch it on and long press and go below, over there we will find available devices, and this is the device, Zebronics speaker. We have to click on it. It will start connecting, and it's asking you really want to pair. When we click on pair, it will automatically stops blinking and give a sound that it's connected. Now it's connected, and whatever we play on our mobile phone, it will automatically going to play on your Bluetooth speaker. So that's the way how you can easily connect your mobile phone to your Bluetooth speaker. Hope you understood that how you can do so. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.